Owner and the kids are hanging out by the pool having a little barbecue, and then they hear a big explosion and they smell burning. Holy shit. God damn it. Look at this capacitor exploded. There's also a surge protector that exploded. Sheesh. Yeah, there was a fire. So you see the back here? All that? This was on fire. There's a flame in here. And then I cooked these wires right here. This shit's bad to breathe in, dude. Cancer. There's my 12.5 with the date on it. See right there? Yeah. 2 of 25, this little guy down there.
So that's what starts the compressor, and that's what starts the motor.
Yeah.
Compressors.
Exactly. Yep, it's cooked, man. Damn.